Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to jump right back with this. And I hinted towards it last time, and we're going to talk about the last scope type, the type of variable, and it's called non-local. And you might say, why in the world? So we have built-in, global, local, and then non-local. So okay, what in the world does that mean? Well, I'll show you. Let's do this. So alright, we had this last time, we changed it, it goes to 2 to 2 because I'm forcing it here. Now let's say I want to increment this right here and do this just like this, and this should work, right? All the rules that we've seen in Python, this should work because we're taking a variable and we're going here, but no, unbound local error, local variable in referring before assignment. So what this is saying is, since this is layered here, and you may have seen this in the Monty Hall where we had a variable outside and it was global and we had to connect it, and this is how you do it if it is inside. So you use our keyword non-local. This is non-local scope. It says look around, go out a layer, look at it, lo and behold, boom, solves our problem. So I just wanted to touch on this. So if you have an issue and you have this variable that you like, you really don't want to have to redefine everything and rewrite everything, and it's just sitting one layer outside, just throw this keyword at it, solve the problem. So there we go. I've been waiting for a scenario that this would work, because you will run into an issue where you've created a bunch of stuff and you don't want to have to redesign it because it just worked, then you change something, then it stopped working. Great use case. So there we go. That's non-local scope. Alright, cool. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.